In this video, I'll show you how to add different page numbers to different sections in Microsoft Word. If your cover page, table of contents, and main content are all showing the same numbering style, and you want to insert Roman numerals and English page numbers in Word, this is how you fix it. First, click the Insert tab, go to the Page Number dropdown, hover over Bottom of Page, and choose your preferred numbering style. Your document will now display page numbers, but you'll notice the cover page, table of contents, and main content all share the same format. The table of contents needs Roman numerals, and the cover page needs no number at all. To fix this, place your cursor at the end of the cover page, introduction page, or wherever you want the new section or different numbering to begin. Now, click the Layout tab, go to the Page Setup group, select Breaks, and choose Next Page. This creates a new section so we can format each part separately. Next, click the page number in the Table of Contents section, right-click it, and select Format Page Numbers. When the dialog box appears, choose Roman numerals from the Number Format dropdown, then click OK. Scroll through the document, and you'll see the Table of Contents now uses Roman numbering, while the main content continues with regular 1, 2, 3 numbering. Now remove the page number from the cover page. Click the header or footer area on the cover page. Click on Header and Footer, then enable Different First Page in the Options grip. This removes the number from the cover page while keeping the numbering on the rest of the pages untouched. Once you review the document, you'll see the cover page has no number, the pages before Chapter 1 use Roman numerals, and the main content continues with regular 1, 2, 3 numbering. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.